This tip-up's only been sitting here 5 minutes. I guess these bass are hungry. You know, first out here, first holes in the ice, can't see anybody else, no footprints. Dealing with fucking cracks every 5 seconds. Scary, but we got 10 inches of ice, so our butts might be puckered. We ain't going through. Put them back. Just wait till he kicks. Make sure that he's going off with as much energy as he can have. And there he goes. Back to you with the next one we get.